Stop scrolling, because these Harley-Davidsons should not still be for sale. We're talking real bikes, real listings, and real prices. From a 1950 Harley-Davidson Hydra-Glide Survivor to EVO-powered classics and modern big twins you can buy right now. No auctions, no dreams. These are motorcycles sitting in garages across America, waiting for the next owner. Number 1. 1950 Harley-Davidson Hydra-Glide, $30,000. Seller location, Ridgely, West Virginia. This 1950 Hydra-Glide represents the exact moment Harley-Davidson stepped into the modern era. As the first Harley equipped with hydraulic front suspension, the Hydra-Glide changed how motorcycles rode, handled, and felt on American roads. This is a true 1950 FL stock bike, showing only 6,000 miles with all matching numbers, making it highly desirable among serious collectors. Finished in classic black, the same color it wore when purchased new, it still carries the soul of post-war America. Originally bought new at a Harley-Davidson dealership in Uniontown, Pennsylvania, this motorcycle spent nearly its entire life in the same region, a detail that adds credibility and provenance. It retains its original 6-volt electrical system, supported by new generator fields and brushes, fresh wiring, brakes, clutch, battery, tires, and headlight. This is not a project, it's a running, riding historical artifact, offered today from Ridgely WV for riders who understand that machines like this are never replaced. Number 2. 1980 Harley-Davidson Superglide, $10,000. Seller location, Ypsilanti, Michigan. The Superglide is where Harley's rebellious DNA truly came alive, and this 1980 model captures that raw, stripped-down spirit perfectly. With only 2,000 miles, this bike has seen very limited riding since undergoing extensive replacement of components. The seller emphasizes that nearly everything has been refreshed, making this a mechanically solid example of a classic FX platform without unnecessary electronics or complications. Located in Ypsilanti, Michigan, this Superglide is ideal for riders who want a vintage Harley that still feels aggressive and honest. It's the kind of bike that invites customization or can be enjoyed exactly as it sits. At this price point, it's a strong candidate for anyone wanting an authentic Harley experience without stepping into fragile antique territory. Number 3. 2008 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic, $6,500. Seller location, Lancaster, California. This 2008 Anniversary Edition Heritage Softail Classic blends timeless Harley styling with modern reliability. Finished in a bold orange, this bike has been described as super clean, meticulously maintained, and completely issue-free. It runs strong, rides smoothly, and reflects ownership by someone who understood the value of proper care. Offered from Lancaster, California, this motorcycle is a perfect fit for riders who want classic cruiser aesthetics with dependable performance. At just $6,500, it delivers touring comfort, anniversary exclusivity, and everyday usability, making it one of the best value modern Harleys on this entire list. Number 4. 1998 Harley-Davidson Softail Springer, $7,500. Seller location, Banning, California. The Springer front end alone makes this bike special, but combined with an EVO motor, it becomes something truly desirable. This 1998 Softail Springer remains largely original, with the exception of a custom mural on the fuel tank that adds personality without compromising authenticity. The bike runs and drives like new, proving how reliable the EVO platform truly is. Located in Banning, California, this Springer hasn't been ridden much recently, not due to problems, but simply lack of time. This bike isn't worn out, it's waiting for the right rider who appreciates vintage styling with dependable mechanicals. Number 5. 2005 Harley-Davidson Road King Classic, $5,900. Seller location, Lancaster, California. The Road King Classic has long been known as one of Harley-Davidson's most balanced touring motorcycles, and this 2005 model proves why. Finished in black and described simply as "runs good," this bike speaks through function rather than hype. It's a full-sized touring platform that delivers comfort, road presence, and durability. Being sold out of Lancaster, California, this Road King offers tremendous value under $6,000. It's ideal for riders who want long-distance capability without paying inflated prices for newer touring models. Simple, solid, and built to ride. Number 6. 2004 Harley-Davidson Softail Classic, $4,500. Seller location, Chula Vista, California. This 2004 Softail Classic is a carbureted, garage-kept Harley with just 18,520 miles and only 2 owners. Finished in black and upgraded with custom chrome handlebars and Vance & Hines fishtail exhaust, it delivers both sound and style. The seller has recently changed all major fluids and installed a new battery. Located in Chula Vista, California, this bike does need a rear tire and a taillight repair from a minor tip-over, but mechanically it remains strong. At this price, it's an excellent opportunity for someone looking to enter the Harley world with a solid platform that still offers room for personalization. Number 7. 2001 Harley-Davidson Softail, $5,300. Seller location, Litchfield Park, Arizona. This 2001 Softail combines classic black paint with 16-inch ape hangers, creating a bold, unmistakable silhouette. With only 18,000 miles, it's been lightly ridden and well preserved. The seller notes it turns heads everywhere it goes and consistently receives compliments. Offered from Litchfield Park, Arizona, this bike is priced to move and reflects a seller motivated by timing rather than condition. If you want strong visual impact and classic Harley attitude, this Softail delivers far more presence than its price suggests. Number 8. 1998 Harley-Davidson Fatboy, $8,500. Seller location, Placerville, California. Few motorcycles are as instantly recognizable as the Fatboy, and this 1998 two-owner example keeps that legend alive. Equipped with progressive front and rear suspension, a detachable windshield, and a rear passenger backrest, it balances comfort with unmistakable style. Located in Placerville, California, this Fatboy is in good condition and ready for real-world riding. Whether you're a collector or a weekend cruiser, this bike delivers iconic Harley presence with proven mechanical reliability. Number 9. 1996 Harley-Davidson Dyna Wideglide, $6,500. Seller location, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. The Dyna Wideglide is all about stance, and this 1996 model nails it with long forks and a laid-back riding position. Finished in brown and owned by just 2 people, it represents a simpler era of Harley-Davidson engineering, raw, mechanical, and engaging. Being sold from Lake Havasu City, Arizona, this bike is a fantastic base for customization or an honest rider as is. Dynas from this era continue to gain respect, and this one offers both character and value. Number 10. 2008 Harley-Davidson FLSTN Softail, $17,500. Seller location, Corona, California. This 2008 FLSTN Softail Big Twin blends modern performance with aggressive custom styling. Powered by a 96 cubic inch or 1,584 cc engine and showing just 16,000 miles, it's equipped with a Screamin' Eagle tuner, 18-inch ape hangers, LED engine underglow, spoked wheels, and a fully bagged suspension with onboard compressor. Offered from Corona, California, this motorcycle isn't subtle, and it's not meant to be. It runs great, looks bold, and delivers serious road presence. For riders who want modern reliability wrapped in custom attitude, this Softail stands at the top of the list. So there they are, 10 Harleys, 10 very different stories, and 10 chances that won't last forever. Some of these prices will go up. Some of these bikes will disappear overnight. If one of them caught your eye, don't wait. Someone else won't. Drop your pick in the comments, hit like if you respect real American iron, and subscribe because the best Harley deals never stay on the market for long.